What happens if I want to upgrade or modify my food truck or food trailer? So this is another good question. A lot of times people think that I could just take out our kitchen equipment and throw on another one. Keep in mind, these things have plans. They have their sprinklers, the fire systems that's specific to each equipment. So if you want to do modifications under the hood, there is a small little process. It's very quick. We do the modifying, but we do have to submit plans. If you want to modify the refrigeration part, that's no problem. We can do that in about a day. But again, keep in mind, if you want to modify, ask me what you guys want and I'll help you make it as easy as possible.